In this video, you will see how to save a workbook. You can see the name of your workbook at the top of the Excel window, and if you have not saved your Excel file yet, then by default you can see the name of your workbook as book 1, book 2, book 3, etc. As you can see here, the name of this workbook is book 1. Now let's see how you can save your data and give name to your workbook. So now you have data in this workbook and you want to save your data. So for this, go to Office button and select Save As option. Now choose the location where you want to save your workbook. I'll choose desktop from here. And now let's give name to the file. Say Employee Details and click Save. Now you can see here the name of workbook. So the file is saved. Now if you make any changes to your data, like I have to enter the details of another employee. So let's enter. And now I want to save the changes. So for this, I'll go to Office button and select Save. So now the changes I have made are saved. To save the changes, you can use keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl S. Press Ctrl S if you want to save any changes you made in the workbook. And now if you want to change the file name, so for this, go to Office button, select Save As and change the name from here. So now you can see the new name of the file, and keyboard shortcut for Save As is F12 key. If it is not working, then press Fn key, which is function key, and F12 key together. Fn plus F12 for Save As. So in this video we saw how to save a Excel workbook.